Hi guys, today I will be reviewing the Sp500 and DAX30 and I will be providing to you the levers from where I do believe the market is going to retrace again. So here in mid-March we have seen a point of control, a huge increase in the volumes, okay, with all the Japanese candle going out from the lower band. In terms of Elliott waves, so in terms of Elliott analysis, we see here the first okay wave, then we have the number one, number two, here we have the number three wave. So someone was calling already for the fifth wave here, but I was quite convinced it was a wrong counting. So let's remind that the third wave has to be always the longest one. So this is the first one, second one for the low, then the third one, fourth one here too. So this is the new low. So now we are currently with the fifth wave, with the last one, okay? And here also we see a big gap up that I do believe we're going to feel over the next weeks. So levers, coming to actually to a conclusion here, I see all this area from 3020 till 3100. I do believe the Sp500 is going to hit these targets over the next days to then retrace. So actually here we have the A, then here we will have the B, and then we are going down for the C. Okay, so here between 3100 and 3020, so 3020, I do believe the market is going to retrace. Okay, also in terms of CS to A bands, we have the same count. Here we have the monthly chart for the Sp500, and as you can see, we are forming a sort of head and shoulder partner. This is the left shoulder, here we have the head, and here we are forming the right one. So let's see if we zoom in, we could actually, we see an oblique resistance around this area, as I've been saying before, 3100. So from here, I do believe we are going down. Let's not forget these huge volumes in correspondence with this long black candle. Now, if we switch to the daily chart using the Siesto A bands, we will see that actually we are above the upper band, which is a bearish signal. Yet, as I've been telling you, I do believe we are going up till this area, okay, from where it was passing which is 3020, where it was passing the previous high. So actually here we have a further resistance, so 3025, 3020. With an excursion, I cannot exclude an excursion here at 3100. And why 3100? Because after breaking this area, we see this rectangle, so we should sum up the low from here to the breakup, and which give us 3100. So now let's skip and let's analyze the DAX30. Actually, I've been publishing a post here on TradingView stating that I have as target 11,800, and we are really close. As you can see here, I've been publishing a post stating that we don't see enough volumes associated with the last movement up. Actually, as you can see here, we see the descending volumes. Almost, you see that these volumes are really low, so we see descending volumes in association with the last candle, with the last period of increase. Okay, now we see information a small doji. Here we had a very big gap down which has been filled out now, and again here we are very similar in terms of positioning with to the Sp500, even if the Sp500 has a higher relative strength if compared with the DAX30. Again, here we are really close to the upper band, so there are many purposes, many reasons why I do believe we are retracing from this area. So even here we have the first in terms of Elliott analysis, we have the first, then the second, so first high, so first wave, second, then here we have the third, here we have a lower point at 10,100 points, so this is the fourth, and now we are experiencing the fifth wave, which should be the last one. Again, here we can count NA curve, then B again, and then we are going to retrace till the C, where we might find a support for the C curve. We have here two important gaps. Actually, the market is full of gaps here, gap up. We have one here, second one here, third one here, and now we have a fourth one. So for the short term, after I do believe, as you can see in this pink rectangle, in pink area, we are going to see the DAX going in this area to then retrace, okay, so move down. And so I do believe we are going to fulfill this gap up. Okay, so guys, again, my targets for the SP500 3020 or 3100, and from there we're going down. For the DAX 30, again, all this area between 11,500 points and 11,008 or 11,900 points. So we are really close to the relative high. Thank you, guys.